Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, where time is of the essence, it's easy to overlook the importance of a healthy breakfast. However, starting your day with nutritious foods can significantly impact your overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the best foods for a healthy breakfast that will fuel your body and tantalize your taste buds. A healthy breakfast sets the tone for the rest of the day, providing you with the energy and nutrients needed to kickstart your morning. It jump-starts your metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. A balanced breakfast can improve concentration, focus, and mood, setting you up for a productive day ahead. Imagine waking up to a spread of delicious options that satisfy your hunger and nourish your body. The possibilities for a healthy breakfast are endless, from hearty oatmeal topped with fresh fruits to protein-packed smoothie bowls bursting with flavor. Whether you prefer savory or sweet, a nutritious breakfast is available to suit every palate. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your morning routine can reap many benefits. Whole grains like oats and quinoa provide a steady source of energy, while fruits and vegetables offer essential vitamins and minerals. Protein-rich foods such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or nut butter can help keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. This video will guide you through the best foods to include in your breakfast to ensure you start your day on the right foot. We will share easy and delicious recipes you can whip up in no time, perfect for busy mornings or lazy weekends. Whether you're a seasoned breakfast enthusiast or looking to revamp your morning routine, this video will inspire you to make healthier choices for a happier, more energized you. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. So, grab a seat, get ready to drool over some mouth-watering dishes, and join us to discover the best foods for a healthy breakfast that will nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Stay tuned for a breakfast experience like no other. Nutritious breakfast ideas. Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine and looking to spice up your mornings with delicious and nutritious options? Look no further. In this segment, we will introduce you to a variety of breakfast ideas that are easy to prepare and packed with essential nutrients to fuel your day. One of the most straightforward and versatile breakfast options is overnight oats. In a jar, mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, yogurt, or plant-based alternative. Add your favorite fruits and nuts, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll wake up to a creamy and satisfying bowl of oats that will keep you full and energized until lunchtime. If you're a fan of savory breakfasts, avocado toast with eggs is a delicious and nutritious choice. Mash ripe avocado onto whole grain toast, top it with a perfectly cooked egg and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper. This combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber will keep you satisfied and ready to tackle the day ahead. For a protein-packed, creamy, and crunchy breakfast, try Greek yogurt with granola and berries. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, granola adds a satisfying crunch, and berries provide sweetness and antioxidants. This breakfast is delicious and a great way to start your day on a healthy note. When building a nutritious breakfast, balancing protein, fiber, and healthy fats is essential. Protein helps keep you full and satisfied. Fiber aids digestion and promotes satiety, and healthy fats provide long-lasting energy. You can set yourself up for a successful day by including various nutrients in your breakfast choices. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different ingredients to keep your breakfast interesting. Mix and match fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices to create unique flavor combinations that tantalize your taste buds. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, there are endless possibilities to explore when crafting a nutritious and delicious breakfast. So, say goodbye to boring breakfasts and hello to a world of exciting and nourishing options. Try out these nutritious breakfast ideas and start your day with a meal that will fuel your body and satisfy your cravings. Get ready to revolutionize your morning routine and embrace the power of a healthy breakfast. Easy breakfast recipes. Are you looking for quick and simple breakfast recipes that are healthy and delicious? Look no further. This segment will demonstrate 3 easy-to-make recipes to kickstart your day with a nutritious and satisfying meal. First, we have a refreshing and nutrient-packed green smoothie that will energize you from the inside out. You will need a handful of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, and a cup of almond milk to make this green smoothie. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. This green smoothie is a great way to sneak some leafy greens and fruit into your morning routine, providing you with a boost of vitamins, minerals, and fiber to fuel your day. Next, we have a hearty vegetable omelet with whole grain toast for a balanced and filling breakfast. Start by whisking eggs together in a bowl and adding your favorite chopped vegetables, such as bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Pour the mixture into a heated skillet and cook until the eggs are set. Serve the vegetable omelet with whole grain toast for a complete meal rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Try making chia seed pudding topped with fresh fruit for a sweet and satisfying breakfast. Mix chia seeds in a jar or bowl with your choice of milk, almond or coconut, and sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Let the mixture sit in the fridge overnight to thicken. Top the chia seed pudding in the morning with fresh fruits like berries, mango, or kiwi for a colorful and nutritious breakfast treat. These easy breakfast recipes are perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick and nourishing meal to fuel your day. Whether you're in the mood for a refreshing smoothie, a savory omelet, or a sweet chia seed pudding, these recipes will satisfy your taste buds and provide you with the energy you need to tackle whatever the day may bring. So, grab your ingredients, get cooking, and enjoy a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will set the tone for a successful day ahead. Say goodbye to breakfast boredom and hello to a world of flavorful and wholesome morning meals. Healthy breakfast ideas. Are you looking to elevate your breakfast game with creative and balanced meal ideas prioritizing health and wellness? Look no further. In this segment, we will share various nutritious breakfast options that will nourish your body and delight your taste buds. One delicious and satisfying breakfast idea is a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables and a perfectly poached egg. Start by cooking quinoa according to package instructions and layering it in a bowl with a colorful array of roasted vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Top it off with a poached egg for a protein-packed, nutrient-dense meal that will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. When crafting a healthy breakfast, it's essential to incorporate a balance of whole grains, lean proteins, and colorful fruits and vegetables. Whole grains like quinoa provide a good source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which help sustain energy levels and promote satiety. Lean proteins such as eggs or Greek yogurt are essential for muscle repair and growth. At the same time, colorful fruits and vegetables offer a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods in your breakfast choices, you can kickstart your day positively and set the tone for healthy eating habits throughout the day. Choosing whole, minimally processed ingredients will provide your body with essential nutrients and help you feel more satisfied and energized. Incorporating a variety of flavors and textures into your breakfast can make the meal more enjoyable and satisfying. Experiment with different combinations of ingredients to keep things exciting and discover new favorite breakfast options. Whether you prefer savory or sweet, there are endless possibilities to explore when creating a balanced and delicious morning meal. So, say goodbye to boring breakfasts and hello to a world of creative and nutritious options that promote health and wellness. Try out these healthy breakfast ideas and start your day with a meal to nourish your body and fuel your day. Get ready to embrace a breakfast routine that supports your well-being and sets you up for success. Choosing nutritious foods for your breakfast is not just about satisfying hunger. It's about fueling your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive throughout the day. We've highlighted the importance of starting your day with a balanced breakfast that includes a mix of whole grains, lean proteins, colorful fruits, and vegetables. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your morning meal can boost your energy levels, improve focus and concentration, and support overall well-being. From overnight oats with fruits and nuts to avocado toast with eggs and Greek yogurt with granola and berries, we've showcased a variety of delicious and easy-to-prepare breakfast options that cater to different tastes and preferences. Whether you're a fan of sweet or savory breakfasts, there are endless possibilities for creating a balanced and satisfying morning meal. We encourage you to experiment with different ingredients and flavors to keep your breakfast exciting and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and try new recipes that excite your taste buds and nourish your body. Breakfast should be a meal you look forward to each morning, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. To continue your journey towards a healthier breakfast routine, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas and inspiration. By joining our community, you'll access many resources and tips to help you make informed choices about your food and lifestyle. Please share this video with your friends and family to spread the message of wellness and encourage others to prioritize their health. Thank you for joining us in exploring the best foods for a healthy breakfast. We hope you feel inspired to change your morning routine positively and embrace the power of nutritious and delicious breakfast options. Here's to a happier, healthier you.